This video is going to be about Mr. Tumble's tablet.